And this is UALR College Algebra Final Exam Review, problem number 65. We're given a word problem with matrices. As a company, it's two factories, manufacture three sizes of boats. Number of hours of labor required to manufacture each size are represented by the matrix S, and the wages of the workers are represented by matrix T. We're asked to compute ST. Notice that S is a 3 by 3 matrix, and T is a 3 by 2 matrix. The inside dimensions match, so we can find the product matrix ST, and it's going to be a 3 by 2 matrix. So we will set it up in our calculator like we did the last problem. 3 by 2 matrix. So we're going to go to, let's move over a little bit. We'll put in S, but we're going to call S just because it's easier to find A in the calculator than it is S. We're going to call SA, and we're going to call matrix T B in our calculator. So I'm going to do second matrix. We're going to edit matrix A and make it a 3 by 3 matrix. Then we're going to load the matrix with 1, 0.5, 0.2, 1.6, 1, and 0.2, 2.5, 2, and 1.4. This matrix represents the number of hours it takes for each part of the assembly process for a small boat, a medium boat, and a large boat. Now we're going to get out of this second mode. We're going to go edit matrix B, second matrix, edit, scroll down to B. We have a 3 by 2 matrix this time. We're going to load that matrix. 17, 14, 12, 13, 11, and 12. And we were asked to find ST. Recall this was S, this was T. So we're going to enter our calculator as A times B. So I'm going to do second mode to get out of this. Now that I have the matrices loaded. So I'm going to do, this was S. So I'm going to do second matrix A. And B was T, so I'm going to do second matrix B. And this is going to be my S times T that we're looking for. It's going to give me a 3 by 2 matrix. And so we see, so let's see here, scroll down. Entries are 25.2 and 22.9. And all these are going to be dollars. Let's get our second row. 41.4 and 37.8. That's 37.8. Again, dollars, because we're talking about computing the cost for the boat. And our last row, 81.9 and 77.8. And again, dollars. And then it asks us to calculate or to interpret the result. The entries represent how many boats can be built at each plant? No. The entries represent the total plant cost? No. This represents the total labor cost for a small boat at factory A. Entries represent the total labor cost. Each entry represents total labor cost for that boat at that plant. Let's see how this goes. Entries represent how many workers it takes to build each size boat. That doesn't have anything to do with it. Entries represent the labor cost at each plant. These are labor costs for different size boats at plant A, and these for plant B for each size of boat. So that's what we're looking for. That's our interpretation of the results. That's how we do problem number 65.